Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly go over your assignments for this week and let you know what you should be expecting for this week. So for this week, we have finished our unit on the Holocaust. So you should have your essay turned in. If you've not turned your essay in yet, please do so. I am accepting essays through this week. You may lose a couple of points, but you should still be getting it done and turned in because it's worth 100 points. So something is better than a 0, right? So for this week, I'm only posting 3 assignments on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So this is going to kind of create a link between our huge unit that we did the first quarter on the Holocaust and what we're going to be studying next. So we're going to be looking at this week how we define genocide, where does that word come from, and when looking at international law and the United Nations, how does international law define genocide, and what do we do with that now that we have this word and this definition and international law concerning genocide. So today, the assignment is identifying Raphael Lemkin's outrage. So learning a little bit about Lemkin, who was the lawyer who created the word genocide. So just a little bit of his background. What was his outrage? Why did he think that we needed to create this word? And then kind of leading into when he created it, what he did, what he accomplished. And then on Wednesday, you'll be looking at how is his legacy continued. So specifically looking at the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of Genocide from the United Nations. And that is really important because we're going to be coming back to that convention again and again as we look at other case studies in different instances of genocide or ethnic cleansing or crimes against humanity, which is what we're kind of going to be examining throughout the second quarter. So just a quick reminder, we are going to have Google Meet on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week at 1 o'clock. So I know that's a little bit different than our normal time, but I know that teachers are having more live Google Meets for you guys, so I wanted to kind of stick to the normal class schedule. So 1 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll be hopping on, talking about that day's lesson, helping you guys with any questions you might have about the lesson, and hopefully making some connections for you on what we've previously studied in this class with the Holocaust and what we will be looking at moving forward. Since this is the last week of this quarter, I am giving you Thursday and Friday for a work day, so that will be your chance to get caught up on any missing assignments that you might have. So these 3 assignments for this week will be your first grades for the next quarter. I'm not going to be adding them to the first quarter grade so that you guys can get caught up on all of your other assignments for this quarter, but I am grading them, so make sure to get them done. I'm just going to be putting them in for the second quarter for you guys. So if you are normally checking your PowerSchool and don't see them right away, that's why. If you guys have any questions about any of these 3 assignments or about your essay, if you're still working on it, please send me an email or join us for Google Meet at 1 o'clock today, tomorrow, or on Wednesday, and I will address those questions as much as I can. Hopefully everything is going smoothly for you guys. Send me an email or join the Google Meet with any questions that you have, and I will see you later. Bye.